Here's how to generate voice in Google AI Studio after the latest update. Open aistudio.google.com and sign in. Go to the Speech and Music section. You will see Gemini 3.5 Live Translate listed, but skip it. That model is designed for real-time translation, not voice generation. Select Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview instead, which is built specifically for generating natural AI voiceovers. Once open, choose the Everyday Assistant template and make sure Single Speaker is selected. In the Scene context box, you can leave it blank or paste a short instruction, like a YouTuber recording in a studio. This acts like the system prompt from the older version. Paste your script in the text field. Choose your speaker by listening to the voice samples before selecting. Adjust the pacing. Natural works well for regular narration, fast suits quick tutorials, and staccato adds clear pauses between words. Select a speaking style like empathetic for a warmer tone or promo hype for energy. Choose an accent if needed. Click Run and wait for the audio to generate. Listen to the result and click Download to save it. Important tip: Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS works best for short scripts. For longer voiceovers of 6 to 10 minutes, use Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS instead, which handles longer narration more reliably. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.